everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to design a WhatsApp chatbot for flash sales, skyrocket your vintage store profits. So let's suppose I am running a vintage store and I am receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I am manually replying to all of the queries and this is consuming a lot of my time, so I am completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I am going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I am instantly going to reply to all the queries and messages sent by my customer. Now whenever a user sends me a message, I am instantly and automatically going to reply to all the queries sent by this user. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for flash sales. For this, I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I've opened my WhatsApp web and I'm going to send some message like, hey, I want to see your vintage collection. I'm going to send this message and you will see that I'm going to receive the reply. And here I received the reply, hey there, vintage lover. Our 24-hour flash sale is live. Grab up to 50% off on our exclusive handpicked styles. And then I've sent some images. Now here it is asking me which I want to select. If I select this vintage bags, I am going to receive the reply that these are the vintage bags which are on sale. What bag do you want to buy? So let's go with this mini hand clutch and let's send this message and we are going to receive a reply and it is asking me to enter my name. So I'm going to first enter my name and then I'm going to send this message and I'm going to receive the reply. And then I've received this message, great choice, please share your address. I'm going to enter my address as, and I'm going to send this message and I'm going to receive the next reply. Thank you, Shumuti. You can see that this message is personalized. I have received a personalized message and your order has been received and is being processed. Our team will contact you shortly for payment and shipping confirmation. Expected dispatch is this much. You will receive tracking details once your order is shipped. Got questions? Just reply here. We are happy to help you. Thanks for shopping. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for flash sales for your vintage store. For this, I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can either connect your WhatsApp number with the help of this button or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp number. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, please visit our YouTube channel. So this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and this gives the overview of all the activities, insights and performance metrics. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. Now on the left hand side where we can see all these options, we have the first option of inbox. So this is the central place to manage and reply to customers' conversation. We have this contact, so this manage your leads, customers and the details. We have this team queues, so this assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this template, so this create and manage reusable message templates for campaign. We have this broadcast, so this build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this broadcast, so this send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have this flows, so this build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. Next, we have this AI assistant. So this use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content or suggestion. If you want to learn how you can create your AI assistant, simply visit this video tutorial. Next option is of settings. So here you can see all the settings which we have. This will help you configure account integration and preferences. Next option is of get help. So this access support FAQs or contact the help desk. Now let's move back to my dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And to create a new flow, we simply need to click on this flow on the left hand side corner. So I'm going to open this flows, and here we have landed to this flow builder page. Here you can see total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You can see all the flows which I have created. And to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. Let's open this. So here we have landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. But before we start creating this chatbot, let's first name this chatbot to WhatsApp chatbot for flash sales, skyrocket your vintage store profits. Now we have to go through all the buttons and options on the left hand side, as we will be using all of these options and buttons while creating this chatbot. So let's quickly go through all of them. The first button under messages is of text button. So this button sends a text message along with multiple clickable buttons. We have this media button, so this allows you to send image, videos or GIFs with the message. We have this list option, so this shows a list of options instead of buttons. If you have many options, you can simply use this list button. Next is, if you want to send a catalog message, you can use this button. If you have single product, you can use this button. If you have multiple or many products, you can use this button. We have this option of template, so this is pre-designed message format that includes text, images, buttons and links. Moving on to the next option, we have over here is of actions. So the first button under action is of condition. So this sets the logical condition for branching the conversation flow. We have this ask address. So this prompts the user to enter the address and store it in contact field. We have this ask location. So this requests the user's live location. We have this ask question. So this is used to gather user input such as email, phone or feedback. We have this ask media. So this lets the user upload image, video or documents. We have the set custom fields. So this stores the user input in a custom variable for later use. We have this add tag. So this assigns a tag to user for segmentation and targeted follow-up. We have this API request. So this sends or retrieves the data from external APIs to enhance chatbot functionality. And finally, we have this connect flow. So this links the flow to another chatbot flow. Over here, we are done with understanding all the buttons and options. And now let's start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. To start this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to first trigger or activate this chatbot, and to do that, we have to enter the keywords or the regex. So here I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like the hello, hey and hi. With the help of these triggers, your chatbot is going to get triggered. You can also enter the words, the keywords of your products and services. Like I run a vintage store. So I can enter a keyword like the vintage or flash or sales, something like that. Like bags or dress, like that. The next option is of regex. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. I'm going to enter my regex like. So here I have entered my regex, and here we have to make sure that we enter the regex in the same format itself. Now we have this one more option of render regex to match substring trigger, enable toggle for case sensitive regex. So I'm going to toggle this on. This is for case sensitivity. So by enabling regex, your chatbot can understand more variation of user messages without needing to add every possible keyword manually. As I have done adding the keywords and the regex, the chatbot got triggered, and the next step is to create a message. As soon as this chatbot got triggered, I can see that I have received this message. Now how we are going to create this message? For that, I'm going to open my Chatflow. I'm going to click on this circle, drag and drop this circle, and then I have to select my content type. Here I have already explained you all the content type. I'm going to select this as text plus button, as I'm just going to send the message as soon as the chatbot got triggered. So I'm going to enter my message, and then over here, hey there, vintage lover, our 24-hour flash sale is live. So this is the same exact message, and you can see that over here I have bold this text. So how we are going to do this? We are going to put the star at the end and at the beginning of the sentence, and this will help me bold the text. Now I'm going to provide three options. Over here you can see that I have provided three options of vintage bags, retro dresses and accessories. So I'm going to provide the same options. If you have more option, what you can do, you can simply drag and drop this list button, and you can enter all these details. Enter the title and then keep adding the items. Now here, as I'm just going to provide three buttons, I'm going to click on this add button, and then I'm going to enter the buttons like. So here I've added three buttons, and if I open my message, you can see I have also sent some images. Now how I have done this? For that, I have simply clicked on this add content, and then in my content type, I have selected this as media. I have already explained you all the content types. I have selected this as media, and then when this box appeared in front of me, I have selected my media type as image, and then I have simply uploaded that image. Now to upload this image, I simply click on this cloud and then I have selected my image and then click on this open. Now here the image will be uploaded. I'm again going to click on this add content and then I'm going to select this as media and then I'm going to select my media type as image, follow the same process, select my image and then click on this open and the media will be uploaded. I am going to follow the same process again, click on this add content, select my media type and then upload that image. So here I have uploaded all the images. If you want, you can enter the caption also, and in this manner you can upload your image, video, file or audio. Now it is important and you have to make sure that whenever you upload the media, it does not exceed the file size. Here I have uploaded all the 3 images and now I have to create the message for each of the buttons. Over here you can see that as soon as I've clicked on the button, the next message was sent to me. So we have to create these messages. So I'm quickly going to create the messages. And here I'm done creating the messages. Now here the first message was this one. Then I've provided 3 buttons and then I've uploaded the image. So here I'm done with creating all the messages. The first message was this one. I have provided the message for this vintage pack, retro dress and accessories. For the vintage pack, I have provided this message, the same message. And then I have done the same for this dress button. I have provided the option and then I have entered the message and then I have entered the message for this accessories. The same, I have provided the option or I have provided the message and then I'm going to ask them what do they prefer. Now over here you can see I have not provided any button. So for that what I have done, I have drag and drop this question and then I have entered the text and then I have selected my contact custom field. In this way, whenever they are going to answer what they want to order, I am going to receive that in my contact custom field. It gets saved and then I can use that in the message. Now over here I have asked the question and then I have entered the message in this question box itself and then I have entered choose an option. Now they are going to reply to me with 1 or 2 or they are going to write the name of the dress or the accessories or the bag and then it gets saved in this contact custom field. Now to get this contact custom field, let's open this contact custom field so that you can understand this better. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to click on the settings and let's click on this contact custom fields. So here I have landed towards this contact custom fields. I have all these fields. Now here you can see that I have created a field for the answers. Now what I'm going to do when I'm going to ask the name or the address or the order, I have created a contact custom field for that. I have created a field for the full name also and then for the address also. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this field name. If I copy this, it will show me contact custom field copied to clipboard and then I can directly copy and paste that over here in the message and this is going to make my message personalized. So here I have asked the questions and then as soon as they give me the answer, I'm going to send them that please provide your name and then they give me the name. I'm going to send them this message that please provide your address. As you can see that when I've asked the name, I have selected my contact custom field as name. I have selected the format as any. If you want, you can select this as text because the name will be in text format itself and then you can enter the validation message. If they do not enter their name, if they enter something random symbol or the number, the validation message will be sent to them. And then I have used this contact custom field of address when I've asked them the address and when they're going to reply to me, I'm going to send them thank you and then as I've told you, I have copied and pasted this field name and then I've received this and then I've created this personalized message. Now I have done the same for the rest of the buttons, for the dress button also, for the accessories also. I've provided them the option message and when they give me the option which we want to buy, I'm going to ask them the question and then I'm going to ask them the address and then I'm going to send them the thank you message and I'm going to inform that my team is going to get to them shortly. So here we have created this WhatsApp chatbot for flash sales. And it is also very important that you have toggle on this button so as to keep this flow active. If you do not toggle this on, this flow will remain off or the messages will not be sent. So we have to make sure that the flow is active and then that we have saved this flow. If we do not save the flow, the messages will be lost. So now this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. Here we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for flash sales for your vintage store. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down below this video and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.